How to fix apps. Crashing in iOS 18. If you've just updated to iOS 18 and noticed your app's crashing, don't worry. Here's a simple guide to help you fix it. First, make sure you're on the latest public iOS version. Go to your settings, tap General, and then Software Update. Enable automatic updates, but turn off beta updates to avoid bugs that can cause crashes. Stick to the stable public release, which right now is iOS 18. Next, head over to the App Store and check for any app updates. Tap your profile icon at the top right and swipe down to refresh. If updates are available, tap Update All. Keeping your apps up to date ensures they're optimized for the latest iOS version. If certain apps are still crashing, the next step is to offload and reinstall them. Go to Settings, tap iPhone Storage, and find the app that's causing issues, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. Offloading the app clears core files but keeps your data intact. Reinstalling it provides a fresh copy that can often resolve bugs. After these steps, restart your phone. Head back to Settings, scroll to the bottom, and tap Shut Down to power off your device. Once restarted, this often resolves any lingering glitches or system bugs. If you're still experiencing issues, it might be best to wait for updates, either for the app itself or the iOS operating system. Regular updates come out to fix bugs, so the problem should resolve itself soon. Hopefully, these steps helped fix your issue. If they did, don't forget to hit the like button. Leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.